Reggie! Reggie! Get that thing off your nose!
He's coming, Donna. Our neighbour's food bin. He's gonna smell so bad.
You're literally a bin bag.
Reg, are you? Oh, it's the peg because you think I'm gonna smell.
What? No, not at all.
Donna, are you holding your breath? Oh, come on, it's really not that bad. I'm collected more frequently than you guys. And if I'm washed out often and my lid is kept closed, I certainly won't end up smelling any worse than the two of you.
Oi!
No, it's fair, Reggie. You do have a whiff about you.
Oh, I hope this rumour about me smelling hasn't spread down the street. Oh, come on.